This sucker's electric. This sucker's electric. Running on 121 gigawatts
of vegetable oil, baby.
Sweet. Hello. Hello.
Go over there and smell that shit.
Hello. Look at this bad boy. Lariat. This is the way to go. Good time. Look at this. We did the heat exchange. So we have the heat from the engine taking warm coolant, bringing it back here to the 100-gallon Veggie tank that's in here. You can't see it. Hold on. Let me in. I need in! This needs to be documented. We have all the gauges, flux capacitors. Yes. We have the mastermind, Aaron Goldsmith. Bassist, extraordinary. Crazy instruments. He is off. We are in New York City.
As evidenced by this.
It is West Coast.
As evidenced by this. Sorry, Karen.
Oh, yeah.
Karen, I'll pay you that promise. Don't worry.
Little bird shit stains on your windshield.
You know, it's fine.
So we have here 100-gallon tank full of vegetable oil that you get for free. Obviously, they throw it out, and we take it and we run diesels. Frag grease! Oh yeah, chicken! Oh, you know all that chicken. This is just good times here. This is 100% good times because you don't have to pay 100% bad prices. Fuck you, BP. Fuck you. Good. This is all being documented for our eyes. See, you don't have to pay that guy. Oh, you just have to pay what fills this tank. Yeah, see? All that fried food. Yep, that's it. That's my problem. Get some dualies here. Oh my goodness. I'm going horse. This is so awesome. Alright, good times. Good times.
Yeah, I don't really need any gas.
No? How are you going to get it in there? Does this thing slide? This should slide.
This shit slides right here.
Oh, okay.
I got a little lift pump.
Okay,
and I got
yeah, he's got a pump. This guy's got a pump.
I got a pump.
Gonna pump you up!
Go do it. Next stop, Detroit.
Sweet. Fuck yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Love you, buddy.
Fucking awesome.
Oh, man. Oh, it smells great. I wish this camera could pick up the smell.
Exactly what it's what all places
Love you, brother. And we're sending Aaron off. He gets 0 to 60. Yes, it goes. There it is. Good times. The lariat. That's how you do it. Turbo diesel. Turbo diesel. Hi, buddy. Oh, man. What a kick-ass thing that is. Fuck you, BP. And your little dog, too.